Hey everyone, Andy, welcome back to the kitchen. Have you ever been to a fancy restaurant, tasted an incredible dish, and thought, you wish you could make this at home? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. Andy, today, I'm going to show you exactly how. We're demystifying gourmet cooking and proving that you don't need a professional kitchen or a chef as had to create something truly spectacular. We're going to transform simple ingredients into a meal that looks and tastes like it came from a 5-star restaurant. So, grab your apron, get excited, and let's start cooking. For our beautiful gourmet dish today, we're keeping it simple yet elegant. You'll need one beautiful, plump chicken breast. If you prefer fish, a nice salmon fillet works just as wonderfully. We'll also need some quality olive oil or a knob of butter, a few cloves of garlic, your favorite fresh herbs. I'm using thyme and rosemary today, and a splash of dry white wine. The wine is a game changer. It adds a depth of flavor that really elevates the dish. For our side, we have some crisp, fresh asparagus. And the most important ingredient of all, a little bit of patience. Let's get these ingredients prepped and ready to go. Alright, let's bring the heat. Place a pan over medium-high heat and add a good drizzle of olive oil. Once it shimmers, toss in your minced garlic. Let it sizzle for just about 30 seconds until that incredible aroma fills your kitchen. Now, carefully place your seasoned chicken breast in the pan. We're looking for a beautiful, golden brown crust, so let it sear for about 45 minutes on each side without moving it too much. This is how you build that amazing texture and lack in all the juices. Once your chicken is golden and gorgeous, it's time for the magic. Turn the heat down to medium and pour in that splash of white wine. It will bubble and steam, that's called the glazing, and it lifts all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan, which is puri flavor. Let it simmer and reduce for a minute, then add in your fresh herbs and a small piece of butter. Swirl the pan as the butter melts to create a rich, silky, and glassy sauce. The combination of the wine, garlic, and the herbs creates a sauce that is simply out of this world. Now for the final, artistic touch, plating. This is where we turn our delicious food into a true work of art. Gently steam or pan fry your asparagus until it's tender crisp. I like to arrange it neatly on the plate first to create a bed for our star. Now, place the perfectly cooked chicken light on top. And for the grand finale, take a spoon and generously drizzle that liquid gold, our beautiful pan sauce, all over the chicken and around the plate. Look at that, a stunning, elegant, and delicious meal made by you, right in your own home. And so you have a restaurant quality gourmet meal that's surprisingly easy to make. I hope this inspires you to get creative in your own kitchen and see that gourmet cooking is for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more recipes like this, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let me know what gourmet dish you'd like to learn next. Thanks for cooking with me today, and remember, the best meals are made with love. See you next time.